Hello everyone, I'm Katie Kim. I mentioned that I will be introducing a 감자전 recipe in the last video, which is perla oil makguksu. You will know why the restaurants sell 감자전 with perla oil makguksu once you make it. Now, let's make a simple and delicious 감자전. So I'm going to use 2 large Idaho potatoes. So one potato is 320 grams, so I'll be using around 640 grams in total. You can use any type of potato. Russet potatoes are the most widely consumed type of potato in the United States. They are also known as Idaho potatoes. The state of Idaho is situated in the northwestern region of the U.S., bordered by Montana to the west and northwest, Wyoming to the west, Utah and Nevada to the north, and Oregon and Washington to the east. It is said that 1/3 of the U.S. potato production is produced in Idaho. In Korea, when it comes to potatoes, it will definitely be from Gangwon province. Similarly, when it comes to potatoes in the United States, it must be from the state of Idaho. So 감자전 is a local food of Gangwon-do in Korea. The Gangwon province is also internationally known for the 2018 Winter Olympics, which were held in Pyeongchang, Gangwon-do. If you grate potatoes on a grater, 감자전 definitely tastes better than using a blender. Please wear a glove to prevent hurting your hand. I will grate the 2 roasted potatoes on a grater. If we finished grating potatoes, we can say we're almost done with making 감자전. Adding a little potato powder starch makes it crispier after cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of potato starch into the bowl. If you don't have potato powder starch, you can use buchimgaru. However, instead of adding buchimgaru, you can actually use a starch from the potato water. How? Don't pour out the potato water and let the starch water sit for 15 minutes. Then, the starch sinks to the bottom. You can use the starch at the bottom after carefully pouring out the water. So you can use this, but I prefer to add potato starch because it makes crispier. I will add a little bit of salt and mix well. If you add red pepper on top of the 감자전, you will get a bit of a spicy kick. Slice the red pepper into small pieces. You can also grind potatoes using a blender. If you grind potatoes without water, it will be harder to blend. So please add water when you use a blender. After you drain the ground potatoes, mix the finely ground potatoes and starch well. Turn on the heat. So add enough oil to a pan. Once the pan is heated, place a spoonful of the batter into the pan and make a small round shape. Place 1 slice of red pepper on top of the 감자전. Let's flip it over. Let's make a dipping sauce. Add soy sauce. Add some chopped scallions. Add a few drops of vinegar. Add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Add a whole sesame seeds at the end. It is also complemented well with the savory dipping sauce. This little slice of red pepper gives a bit of a spicy kick. Chewy, crunchy, so delicious. When you have a craving for naengmyeon, please check the perla oil noodles video. You can add a naengmyeon broth to the perla oil makguksu and you can enjoy with the gamjajang. You will taste something more than what you had expected before. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe.